예, 미스도스탐 나가시기시오. 뭐? 이때스타모.
Okay.
Some
Just them.
places, but not all of them.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay.
And if you have questions, do ask them, then we can get them translated.
Now it starts.
Okay.
Watch what he starts.
Kwayaciiwin and IFNA.
You want to go shopping? That's where you cut it.
Yeah,
Start from over there. Cut it.
take out.
Yeah.
Kon gasina tawen takanaga kaji tawe just takam Hudson Bay Company guy.
This is the way the Hudson Bay wanted to buy the fur when it's done. That's what you do.
Go disini ganga giskisen.
First you cut the hands off. Like that. Gotta move around like that, see? So that's what you do first. Those things here, cut the hands off first. And you gotta be very careful you don't ruin the fur, he said.
Yeah.
And then
Go sit.
and then the feet.
On its own. Why don't you do like close-up faces? Okay.
You have to cut the feet. You gotta be very careful you don't cut yourself. Like that. See, just like
그리고 진 오모기사 배기시키사. 그리고 진
why don't you try it, he said.
빼고 먹이시키사.
Cut that feet off. Remember what he did, right? Yeah, right about there. Yeah. Like that.
Yeah.
That's
No here. Yeah. I want to show you that there. Okay, like this.
like that. See in the back first.
And see that here?
Yeah, see where it bends?
Yeah. See?
Like that.
Oh, 기시키사 말이에요.
You gotta know where it bends, he said.
You have to 그지씨.
Yeah,
만나지 기시사 기지씨.
you gotta really be careful. That's it. Move it around a little. Move the feet around until you get
No.
there.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that. Be careful with your knife. You gotta be very careful with your knife.
You have
Don't
to be a
cut
little
yourself.
bit twist your knife.
You gotta twist your knife too at the same time when you.
Twist my knife.
Yes, a little bit.
No,
where the
be
bones
careful.
are.
Like this.
And this.
No, watch. I'll show
Like
you.
this.
I'll show you. Watch.
See
Look at
here?
See, look. Right there. See? Like, she's moving the knife too at the same time.
고마미 기시카는 왜 소태시 기시카는 왜 소?
Now try cut the tail off. Cut the tail off. Exactly the same thing that you do with the way you did.
No, wait,
Right
suppose wait
at the
there.
end of the where the fur, right there.
It's a joint there.
Yeah, gotta be careful. Watch your finger all the time. That's
Your finger.
like that. There you go. Move it up a little
Twist
bit.
it, break it.
That's it. That's it. That's what you want. Gotta be very careful.
해구지.
There. You got it.
Okay.
There you go. Nice. See, look at that. You can go around that thing. See? See, look. See, you can use that way. See? You can't do that over there. You're going to poke a hole on the felt. See, like that. You got to. See, that's. You got to try to take the fat off. Yeah. There's different ways to take the fat off too.
매고가 야따 하전 배 컴퍼니 야따에 긴타웨네 매 우즈면 우스선지. Hudson Bay,
Oh yeah.
that time, nice and clean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's no
red.
No
meat.
meat on it. Yeah.
Yeah. You want it really
Yeah.
clean there. That's what. That's the way
Yeah.
you want it to
Nice. Common nice fur. You pay more in the Hudson Bay that time, eh?
smell it. Yeah. They
That's
said-
patience, eh?
He said too that the fur has to be thicker, and then you get more money. And if it's not that thick, and you don't get as
Wanna
much,
try?
he said they want to see it.
Okay. You have to be careful.
The winter time is
Here,
the
see that? This is the same way you can do that.
winter time. That's what he's saying.
old were you when you did your first beaver?
Oh, I was maybe I was 10 years old.
10 years old?
Yeah. I grew up with the hunting area. My dad used to be trap. That's all he had. Yeah. That's where he used to live in years ago. For the Hudson Bay to sell up here. No job that time. No work for that time. Yeah, I used to. Sometimes 2 months I used to over 100 a month.
100 beavers?
Beaver.
Yeah.
And otter, mink, everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, and that's the type of
Yeah,
lifestyle I want to live too.
even today, it's a madness. It's a big money. Eh?
Yeah.
I know some young guys up north, he make 18,000.
Holy jeez, eh?
Yeah. But you have to work.
Yeah.
You have to work.
Can't stay home.
Eh?
Can't stay home.
You can't stay home. I told my wife, I was just trapped years ago. Eh? Sometimes at 10 o'clock in the night time, I go home when I'm entertained. Yeah, I set it up many so I can do it in traps. Eh? If you set it up maybe only 10 traps a day, no, you're not going to get nothing. No.
Where do you find a castor in him?
Hey?
Castor.
Oh, that's a very important to know. Yeah, that thing there. After we skinny people, I'm going to show you guys the way you use it there.
Okay.
You know what happened? When you go to trap, like a springtime, yeah, that piece, you like this. You put the put some more that stuff, and you put the thing there, and the beaver when you swear maybe that far,
Yeah.
and he smell it, he came in, you drop.
Come in there.
Yeah,
That's a user
yeah,
trick.
just like a moose in the fall time. Eh?
Yeah.
You put something there, he's poor moose is going to come in.
Yeah, the urine, right?
Because he smell it. Same thing happened to him. Yeah.
Yeah.
And it cuts better when you clean it up. Okay? So what? So he's trying to clean up all the meat that you didn't get.
You don't want to cut the fat off when you want to eat it.
Yeah, that's right.
You want the fat
eat
on.
the fat with a beaver, huh? You don't want to waste anything. What
Yeah,
they
if you
did
want to
long
eat it, you
time
don't
ago,
leave the meat on
They
here.
want to just take the fur and keep the meat, as much meat as you can on the beaver, so you have more meat to feed your family and the pet. That's what she's telling us. Very nice, very nice.
We'll put it in there and cook it. Go two down over there. Maybe you can weigh down until put it in one pot.
Still think they're still frozen. Under frozen.
Let's stretch right here.
Tomorrow, what time? You're gonna serve on the rail.
That's what's gonna work best.
And then we're gonna stretch it tomorrow.
Maybe one of the beavers can be cooked or smoked, but the setup probably too much food for everything.
Because we don't really have a smoking,
Yeah.
a good smoking.
So I think it's gonna be the shop
Are you how? Stand one out. Stanley, I'm doing your job here.
Ooh, okay.
Oh, Dima, you cut it like this when you want to smoke it, yeah? And then you cut this out like this. You cut it here, strip here. Then you hang this up on over the fire with the bones here. And this one will be separate. You want to smoke it, eh? What would Jenny do now? I don't know what you're cutting up it to. You're so mean, Heidi.
Oh.
We'll go. Bring that bike. Set the hood. Oh. Just put this one here.
Ooh.
Candy, how are they cutting it up?
She's away until July. And that's her dad. And she organized events to all look at different careers. And she's coming and she travels and he has a big days and she travels with her hive and her bone skills and students can really go it's really that's why I say like
Dear later.
You bike them, you guys. Yeah. Not, I don't know. Two.